This one is gonna be a tough one. I haven't opened these up yet. It's a metal shell with two plugs on the sides to USB-C 1 terabyte M.2 drive. So most likely we're gonna have to do it either from this side and then just pull this one out, or maybe pull this one out first and then do the other side. We'll see how it goes. There is no other way unless we're gonna cut the metal piece, which is gonna be a problem. We don't want that. So let's try to pop this plastic top off. Maybe we're lucky. See, it's coming out. Now we gotta figure out how to pull this one out, because it seems like it's getting inserted from this side that way, so we need to pull this out. This may be a problem. Yeah, you don't want to push right in the middle because there might be a board of the drive, and then if you go too deep you can damage that. So we want to try to do it on the corners, on the edges over here, just to get it a little bit loose. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to push down between the plastic layer and the metal layer, so it would go that way, and then maybe wiggle a little bit like this, so we get it loose. It's very tight. Try the other side. we're gonna use a different approach. Got a real ugly dull notch here, so we're gonna use this sharp tooth to go through a little bit. Okay, we got about 1/2 millimeter, maybe millimeter from one side. Now we're gonna do the other one. Pull it out. No, it's pretty tight. Let me get a little bit more. That's how deep I got so far. Same thing on the other side. No change. Very tight. Now we're gonna have to get at least a little more. Now we gotta be very careful because we don't want to get too deep and damage the board. Yeah, let me look in the scope and see what's going on there. I'm gonna put it on a pause. Okay, we're gonna try to wiggle a little bit more because I have a feeling it should come out now. So I'm gonna use this knocked off end of the knife and just kind of wiggle it like this sideways. And I think it starts to move. It's a good sign. There we go. It's still too tight. Let's try to pull it out. No. Now look at it again in the scope. So I'm gonna cut a little more on the sides here to get it loose. Plastic is really thick. On the edges there's probably at least 2-3 millimeters thickness right now, and I still can't see anything inside. Maybe it's just a plug, maybe it's not. We gotta be very careful. Okay, let's try to rock it a little bit. See, it moves a little bit, but not enough. And let's try to wiggle it. What up? No? Okay, it starts to come out. Okay, now we see it moving. Alright, so let's try to pull it out. Okay. I think I can see the board now. Let's pull it out. Okay. So you can see how thick it is and how close the board is. We didn't get to it, so it's not damaged. Okay, let's get this thing out of here. Looks like a plug. And it looks like it's not touching the... Yeah, there we go. Okay. So that's how it looks. Yeah, it's pretty well made. Let's pull it out. Plastic remains. Get it out. Try to push it in. No. Okay. Well, the USB port is not our concern because apparently it's a daughter board and then the M.2 drive just attached to it, just like any other portable SSD drive are. so I have a feeling it's gotta come out this way. So maybe it's glued inside, maybe not, I don't know. This screw is getting the drive attached to the daughter board. It's not attaching to any enclosure casing or anything. So let's see. Let me look in the scope again. Okay, so I just looked in the scope and this is what I see. The plastic remains, let me get it zoomed in a little bit. So these are the plastic remains of the plug on both sides. And they have a super glue or some kind of a glue between the boards and the plastic parts over here. So I have a feeling we're gonna have to file down the side, the whole side of it, and then just kind of take it apart just like a can of a corn. So because the glue will not allow me to push it out. And there's also thermal pads underneath there, so they are really sticky in many cases. So there will be a second part of this video. I'll show you how I'm gonna file this thing down and then pull it out. This is what the drive is.